FlashForge 3D Printer Creator Pro, metal frame structure, acrylic covers, optimized build platform, dual extruder with 2 spools, works with ABS and PLA. Full manufacturer's warranty fulfilled by FlashForge, and free email support provided by expert FlashForge technicians. A sturdy metal frame that is substantially more stable than the creator's original wood frame.Build volume 8.9 x 5.8 x 5.9 inches. Aviation level aluminum plate with a thickness of 6.3 mm, guarantee its surface is completely flat and will not warp during heating process. Metal platform support plus 10 mm guide rod ensure a precise Z-axis movement and prevent platform arm from deforming. Filament Compatibility PLA, ABS, PLA Color Change, Pearl, ABS Pro, Elastic, PVA, HIPS, PETG, TPE, TPU, Conductive Filament, Flexible Filament, Metal Filled Filament, Wood Filled Filament, and PP. Enclosed chamber insulates and protects ABS prints.Filament diameter: 1.75 mm 0.069 in. Please refer the user manual below for better use. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.